How to save Instagram draft reel to gallery. So to do that, now after you open your phone, go ahead and open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram app like this, now all you have to do now, tap on this plus button. As you can see now, this plus button, tap on it. After you tap on this plus button, all you have to do now, swipe to this section and choose reel in this section. So as you can see now, after you choose this reel, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this. Tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this draft section. After you tap on this draft section, as you can see here, you can be able to see all your draft reel on Instagram. So all you have to do now, if you want to download one of them without just posting on your Instagram account, so tap on it. Let's say I want to download this one. After you open it like this, all you have to do now, tap on this edit button at the top right side. After you tap on this edit button, all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see now, now you can go ahead and edit it. As you can see, after you finish editing your draft reel, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see now, this arrow. After you tap on this arrow, now tap on this save button. As you can see now, this save button at the top right side, this save button, tap on it. After you tap on this save button, now allow it to finish downloading your video. Now as you can see now, it's processing downloading the video. So as you can see now, it finished downloading our video. So now I'll now tap on this back arrow. So tap on this cancel button again. So tap on this close section. So now I'll just go back to my phone and show you the video now. If I open my gallery, or if I open my phone, as you can see like this one, if I come to this folder, as you can see now, here is the video that I just downloaded on my Instagram. As you can see, here is the draft video that I just downloaded. Hope this video helps you on how to download draft video or how to save Instagram draft reel to gallery. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.